another video of this week, and today we will learn about subtraction. So what do you know about subtraction? Oh, subtraction is... Oh, we will... What? We will take, for example, if you have 5 apples, and then your friend went in and asked for another apple. For an apple, your friend says, "Can I have an apple pen?" No. Just apple, not apple pen. "Can I have an apple?" And then you said, "Yes, you can have 2 of my apples." And then this lady eat all the 2 apples, and you are left with only 3 apples. So the lady took away 2 apples. So in math, we can say that this is 5 minus how many apples did she eat? 2, and you are left with 3. So this is the concept of subtraction. So if I will say number 1 here, 7 minus 4, this is equal to 3. Easy peasy. And this next number, shall we say 12 minus 6, that would be 6. Okay, how about, let's have 9 minus 5. Oh, this is the most difficult one. I cannot solve this problem, but I can use my mind, or I can use my fingers. So, 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4. Now, we will do subtraction on bigger numbers. Numbers. So, how do we do subtraction on bigger numbers? Okay, so first, there is kind of sharing that would happen here. So, for example, you have first this number. How about 67 minus 24? Okay, so put in your mind that you will need to align the place value the same as addition. So one's place is aligned to the other number's one's place, and tens place is aligned to another number's tens place, and hundreds place is aligned to another, I don't know, but you just need to align things. Okay, so 7 here is once in one's place, and 4 is in one's place, 6 is on the one's place, tens place, and 2 is on the tens place. So 7 minus 4, that would be 3. Amazing, 3. And then 6 minus 2, that would be 4. So our difference is 43. Okay? Alright, so let's have another number. Shall we say 89 minus 69? What's the answer? 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. Our answer is 20, or the answer of subtraction is called difference. Difference. Okay? So, let's have a little bit difficult one. Shall we say number 3? 62 minus 34. Okay, so how do we do that? At first, we will say 2 minus 4, but we cannot actually subtract 2 minus 4 because 2 is smaller than 4, right? Right? If you have 2 apples, and then this lady will say, "I want to take 4 apples." She cannot do that because there are only 2 apples. So what do? We will have the concept of sharing. So we will ask the number beside 2 to share something, right? So 2 will ask on 6, hey, can you share something to me? Because 4 is actually trying to get 4 from the number. So 6 will say, yes, I will give you 1. Or technically it's 10, but for simplicity, so 1. So 2 will become 12 because 6 will give 10 to 2. So 2 plus 10 is 12. Or you can just simply said na you'll just need to write 1 beside 2. So this would become 12. And 6 will become 5. Alright? So 1 and this one will become 5. So sharing. Okay? So we will put 1 beside the number and then this 1 minus 1. So we have 5 and 12. And then we will proceed in subtracting now. So 12 minus 4, can we subtract 4 from 12? Yes! The answer is 8. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So the answer or the difference is 28. Is that easy or hard or difficult or challenging? I'll say it's really, really, really easy. Okay, so number 4. Let's have a bigger number. 132 minus 64. So how do we do this? So first, we will say 2 minus 4, but we cannot do that. The same with the situation here. So we will need to write 1 beside 2, and then 3 will share. So this one will become 2. Alright? So we will proceed in subtracting. 12 minus 4, that would be 8. Okay. How about 2 minus 6? We cannot still do that. So 2 will ask 1. So 2 will become 12 and 1 will become 0 because we will need to minus 1 on the next number. So 12 minus 6, this is 6. So our answer is 68. Alright, last number. How about 725 minus 67? Okay, so 5 minus 7, we cannot do anything about that, but we can share. So 5 will ask 2 to share something, then 5 will become 15, 2 will become 1, and 15 minus 7 is that's 8. And then 1 minus 6, we cannot do anything except to share. So 7 will become 6. We'll sacrifice for 1 and 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 6, that would be 5. And then since 6 do not have any number beside or below it, I will bring it down. And our answer is 658. And that's the end of our lesson. Just tell me if you have questions. You can review the video or you can ask your teacher. That's it. That's all for me for this week. See you guys. Stay awesome. Goodbye.